quite early in the morning. I woke up around 5:30 this morning and I was taking a walk towards a camping site on the farm. There's quite a lot of animals here, so the noise has been horrific. The chickens and the sheeps and the donkeys, they've all been making noise this morning. I guess that's what farm life is like. Imagine that noise going off every 5-10 minutes. It's crazy. And there's like so many chickens. Quite a lot of sheep, a herd of sheep, and then there's some goats. I think the sheep might be a bit scared. They all got up at the moment I walked past, but at least they're not making as much noise as the chickens. So our cottage is actually quite close to the barnyard, I think that's what it's called. All the ducks and geese are. The pigs are on the other side. I think the ducks are quite noisy. The roads are still wet from the rain. And then that side is rabbits. And then there's peacocks, which they keep in a small cage there. And a lot of the animals are all mixed. And towards the end are the donkeys, the alpacas, and more sheep. So the donkey seems nice, and the alpacas and the cows are on the far end over there. Hello, big guy. Hello. Donkey, quite friendly. Hello. How are you doing? Hello, big guy. You're a big fellow, aren't you? Hello. I'm gonna bite me, okay? Very nice. Yeah. Okay, the donkeys are quite friendly, not biting cows. Ooh, okay. Okay, bye. I think that donkey is just eating away. He's not interested. Yeah, so seems the animals get up quite early, especially the chickens. They're just shouting a lot. The peacocks are very quiet. I haven't heard them at all. Last night, the sheeps were shouting a lot and making noises. Um, the rabbit is very quiet. They're not making any sounds at all. I think because there's different animals on the farm, if one animal starts making a noise, the other animals also get very scared or alert, and then it starts like a chain reaction. So like the chickens stop, and then the sheep, and then the donkeys. They will have feeding time quite early, so when that happens, I'll try to come. There's quite a few guys that come with food. Jeez, that is one big pork. I think it's at least 200 kgs. These sheep are just out and about. Doesn't seem like the fence is able to stop them from jumping over or anything. Okay, now with pigs screaming. So there's quite a few sheep here, but it looks like they only have that shed. The ducks are going crazy. It looks like there's only one shed there for all the sheep to herd or cuddle in. And I guess because it's winter, they don't need a lot of space. But I can't imagine if it's raining and they get wet, how the fur will keep them warm. So I think there is more unit on the other side there, the chalets where you can stay over. But other than that, the camping site is on the far end of the actual farm. So I guess people that stays there will be the campsite and then the chalets, and then obviously as you come through the front. I don't know what this back area leads to.